Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something that could fundamentally change the way you think about blockchain scalability and why MON is quietly becoming one of the most exciting plays for 2026. If you've been following Ethereum or other Layer 1s, you already know that network congestion and throughput limitations have been holding back real-world adoption for years. But Monad is now rewriting the rules with its latest parallel database upgrade. And what we're seeing isn't just a minor improvement, it's a total game changer. In this video, we'll break down the technical milestones that are putting MON on a long-term bullish trajectory. From solving the age-old EVM bottleneck to creating an infrastructure-to-value pipeline that's attracting institutional investors, Monad is proving that scalability isn't just hype. It's a tangible, measurable catalyst for price growth. So grab your notebooks, because we're going deep on why this upgrade isn't just about transactions per second. It's about the future of decentralized finance at scale. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research before making any decision. For years, Ethereum's sequential execution model has been the industry standard. It's proven, it's secure, but it's also hit a terminal performance ceiling. As of 2026, high-frequency decentralized applications are often bottlenecked by the sequential processing of transactions. Think of it like a single-lane highway where every car has to wait its turn. No matter how fast the cars themselves can go, traffic jams are inevitable. Monad's parallel execution engine fundamentally changes this. Instead of forcing transactions to queue up one after the other, Monad allows multiple transactions to process simultaneously without conflict. The implications are massive. With parallel execution, developers can now deploy high-throughput applications with sub-second finality, all while maintaining full compatibility with the Ethereum virtual machine. This isn't just a speed bump upgrade, it's a complete overhaul of the way blockchain processing happens, and it positions MON as a first mover in real scalability. This upgrade solves a problem that's plagued decentralized finance for years. dApps and DeFi protocols that once struggled under congestion can now operate smoothly, even during peak network usage. This is the kind of foundational improvement that doesn't just make the platform faster, it makes it fundamentally more valuable. Now let's get into the engine behind this upgrade, MonadDB. Unlike traditional key-value stores, such as Levy LDB or RocksDB, MonadDB is a custom-built parallel database designed specifically for high-throughput blockchain applications. Its architecture is optimized for asynchronous I/O, which allows the network to handle over 10,000 transactions per second while maintaining full EVM compatibility. Why does this matter? For one, it drastically reduces the hardware requirements for validators. Lower hardware barriers mean more participants can run full nodes, increasing network decentralization. Unlike some chains where high throughput comes at the cost of centralization, Monad is proving that you can have both speed and distributed security. MonadDB also provides deterministic conflict resolution, which means that even with multiple parallel transactions, the network avoids double spend risks and maintains consistent state. This is a huge technical milestone because it essentially removes the trade-offs that have historically slowed other Layer 1 networks. When you connect these engineering feats to real-world use cases, like high-frequency trading or multi-chain DeFi protocols, it becomes clear why MON isn't just another crypto project. The network is now capable of supporting enterprise-scale applications that were previously impossible on decentralized chains. Of course, claims are one thing, but performance is everything. Monad's live mainnet throughput data shows that the parallel database can maintain sub-second finality even during extreme network congestion. When you benchmark this against other Layer 1s and Layer 2 solutions, Monad is consistently outperforming both in transactions per second and consistency of settlement. During recent stress tests, the network processed thousands of concurrent transactions without a single failure. That's not something you see every day in the crypto space, especially when other chains are struggling with mempool bottlenecks and unpredictable latency. These metrics aren't just technical bragging rights. They're proof that capital is starting to rotate away from inefficient legacy chains toward networks like MON that can truly scale. Investors and high-frequency trading firms notice this. A chain that can reliably handle enterprise workloads attracts real money, not just speculative retail capital. This is the kind of infrastructure advantage that translates directly into market valuation. So how does a database upgrade turn into a bullish price trend? The answer lies in the infrastructure-to-value pipeline. When you have superior efficiency and sub-second finality, large-scale DeFi protocols and high-frequency trading firms are drawn to the network. This increases on-chain activity, liquidity, and overall demand for the native token. MonadDB's recent stress tests and successful parallel execution milestones coincide with strengthening price support levels. The market isn't just reacting to hype, it's recognizing the real utility of the platform. Each technical milestone essentially serves as a market signal that the chain is ready for institutional participation. As the infrastructure proves itself, resistance levels weaken. Traders who were previously skeptical about MON's ability to scale are now seeing measurable proof, which makes the current price a compelling accumulation opportunity. This is exactly what we mean when we say technical milestones become price catalysts. Looking beyond the immediate effects, the long-term bullish case for MON is extremely strong. As developers migrate to a platform capable of Web 2 scale performance, the ecosystem growth potential is massive. DeFi applications that couldn't operate efficiently on legacy chains can now thrive, attracting a new wave of users and capital. There's also a deflationary dynamic at play. With staking mechanisms and token utility tied to network activity, increased adoption reduces circulating supply while increasing demand. Over time, this can create sustained upward pressure on MON's valuation. In short, the database upgrade isn't just a technical milestone, it's a foundational shift. It solves the core scalability issues that have limited decentralized finance, opens the door to institutional participation, and positions MON as a central hub for global liquidity. The current achievements represent the floor for MON's valuation in 2026, not the ceiling. So, to sum it all up, MonadDB's parallel database upgrade is more than just a technical improvement. It ends the EVM bottleneck, sets new scalability benchmarks, attracts institutional capital, and fundamentally changes the long-term bullish narrative for MON. If you've been waiting for a project that combines serious technical innovation with a clear path to real-world adoption, MON is now impossible to ignore. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe for more daily crypto insights. Catch you in the next one. Stay crypto smart.